Okay, now we are outside. You see the weather today. It's good. I think it's raining. So let's go inside. And okay, I already installed the product. You see here. Uh, I already installed it 1 day ago. You can see, I think. So I will give you an explanation how to install it. This is the product. My car is Hyundai Sonata. It's a 2011 model. So I don't have any display here. It's only just FM and Bluetooth and a CD player. That's why I need to install the display for my rear cam, dash cam, and also the CarPlay. You see, so how to install it? At first, you need to mount your display here in this dashboard. You can mount it into your glass by the other clamp, this here or here also. But I first put the other clamp here, but it will not stick properly. In like some shake, it will fall off. That's why I install this one. You see this one, it sticks properly. So after installing this, I told you first that you need to connect your Bluetooth to your car. FM is connected. So here, okay, my device is already connected, I think, with the, yeah, you see the device is connected to the display by Wi-Fi. It's just when I start the car, it will connect automatically. No problem with that. You see here, I have some apps. You can use your map and also Apple Map. This is how it looks after connecting. So here you can go to your menu. You see the audio channel I connected with Bluetooth because my phone is connected through the car Bluetooth, and this device is connected to my Wi-Fi and it will interconnect it. Okay, so for auxiliary you can connect through the cable I told you before. So how to connect the device with the car? You just put the cable, you see here the power cable. I put it here in the port, just connect it and the device will pop up. Okay, and for the dash cam you can see here, this is my dash cam. Here is the recording. You can see this is the recording. Good. This is now going back. For my rear cam, this is the rear cam is working as well. You see there is a car behind. It will showing that is car behind. There is a previous footage. So it's good. Just go to the CarPlay. It will show you your mobile, and if you have any call, like you got a call into your mobile, it will show into the screen. You can answer it and you can talk by your car Bluetooth, no problem. So and for the dressing of the cable, I put like this. This is they gave me for with the product. I put it, just it's just both side tape, I think. put here one and here one, and like this. Okay, and this is the cable for the rear cam. So how to install the rear camera? Like I can give you, start the car. See, the car is started. The product will again boot because no, it was stopped, engine was switched off, and it will connect with the my mobile. See, it's not connected now, it will connect eventually. Now it's connected. Yeah, it's like take 10 seconds, I think, not much. So here it's connected now. So if I put the gear in reverse, see, it's reverse and the camera will pop up just like this. After, if I put the gear in again parking, it will go off. Yeah, that's it. So the rear camera also working. So how to install the rear camera? So first, switch off your car, everything. This cable, you remove the cable, just install it through this. I don't know, you can see this, I put through here, under here, and the cable is come through here. So after that, just wait a minute. So how you can connect it, like the cable goes through here and I put the cable inside this rubber. That's why no one cannot see the cable. I pass it through here. It's just you can pull it up and press the cable inside. The cable go through here, and from here I put the cable inside here. I just pressed it and put the cable inside there and go to the next seat. So let's go. The cable is come here. I put the cable inside this rubber. It's just you can pull it and press the cable into here, and the cable go all the way through the bottom here. After here uh, I put the cable inside this seat. Just press it and push the cable here, and you can for easy installation you can uh, like bend your rear seat from the back. You push it down and you can pass through the cable rear. So let's check the rear view. So bring the back dollar. So you see the cable come through there, and I put it inside it, and the cable come through here. This is the cable, you see, this is the cable. So there is so much noise. So when the cable is here, you need to open this cover. So how to open this cover? You just unplug this screw. It's just a plastic screw. It's a push and play. You just rotate it and it will come off. Just pull it, nothing else. After that you can open this cover fully, and the cable go through here, and at last from here, this is the end of the cable. So after coming here, you just need to install your camera here. You can just create a hole. You can see, create a hole and install your camera like this. Okay, that's it. And in the cable you saw a red wire. You cannot see here because I already installed it. So how to install the red wire? For the red wire, you see the tail lamp. It will pop up when you press your car in reverse gear. So in the tail light you see two cables, white and one black. So connect your red wire to the white wire, the positive wire. So if you connect it to your white wire, then when you put the gear into reverse, the back camera will pop up immediately. So this is it. We are inside again in the car. So you will know how to install the rear camera as well. And I told you before that you need to check properly when you got the device, got the product from Amazon, because I'm telling you that because this is the second product I got from them, from Laviay. Because the first one that I been displaying you, it was some fault. When I installed it, it works properly. It has no problem with that. I didn't find any problem. But when I connected the rear camera, it will not work. It just go on a black screen. When I putting the gear in reverse, it will go on a black screen every time. So it will not working. So I was like frustrating that why it's not working. I checked again, I checked the cable, I checked with the technician that is my installation is wrong. No, everything is right, but the back camera is not working. So I emailed them. I didn't find any problem, so I emailed them to Laviay that the camera is not working. So after a few days, like 1 week, after 1 week, they sent me another device. So I first checked the device. I checked it that it's all okay. After that, I changed the back camera cable. The new with the new cable, I changed it and checked that it will not work. What it's like not working. So I changed this device, the display. I changed it, and after that I connected it, and it just worked. So I got that the port for the back camera is not good with the previous device. That's why I'm telling you guys that when you got the device from Amazon, first you check it in your home. Just connect the rear camera and check that it's recording your image or not, and also check the dash cam. After that you install it to your car, because if you install it first, then if you find out that there is a problem, you need to uninstall everything and reinstall it again. So it's like a double work. So it's better first check it, then install it. So I think you can install it in your home. You don't need to go to any technician or any service center for this. And I think it's great. It's a great product for this price. And I will give you an update if I find anything wrong or it will go smoothly. Like I install it like 1 week, so let's check that it will work like months or year. I don't know. So that's for today, and please not forget to subscribe my channel. This is a new channel of mine, and I will let you keep updating about some new thing, new device, how to install it. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.